Lisa is making $100,000 annually, while Mike is making $14,000 per month using AI by offering product shots. If you want to earn this level of massive money, then watch this video till end. It is all the steps you use to start earning. Welcome back to our 30-day series on making money online with AI. Today, we're focusing on an exciting and profitable method, selling product modeling photographs created with AI. We'll guide you through the detailed steps of using the Pebbly AI tool to generate high-quality product images and sell them online. First, you need to understand the potential of using AI for product modeling photography. With AI tools like Pebbly, you can create stunning, professional-quality product images without the need for expensive photo shoots or advanced photography skills. This makes it an ideal method for anyone looking to start a side hustle or expand their existing business. Begin by selecting the products you want to model and photograph. These can be items you own, products from a dropshipping supplier, or even digital products. For this example, let's say you're focusing on home decor items like vases, candles, and cushions. Next, sign up for an account on Pebbly, an AI tool designed to generate realistic product images. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to upload images of the products you want to model. Ensure these initial images are clear and well lit, as they will serve as the basis for the AI-generated photos. After uploading your images, you can start using Pebbly's AI features to create professional product photographs. The tool allows you to select from various backgrounds, lighting conditions, and angles to enhance your product images. Experiment with different settings until you achieve the desired look. Pebbly's AI will automatically adjust the product to fit the selected background and lighting, giving it a realistic and appealing appearance. Once you're satisfied with the generated images, the next step is to enhance and refine them if necessary. You can use image editing software like Adobe Photoshop or GIMP to make minor adjustments such as improving brightness, contrast, or removing any imperfections. However, Pebbly's AI often does an excellent job, so you might find minimal editing is needed. With your high-quality product images ready, it's time to create an online store to sell them. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon Handmade are excellent choices for selling digital products. Start by setting up your account on one of these platforms and creating your storefront. Customize your store's appearance to match your brand, add a logo, and write a compelling store description. Upload your AI-generated product images to your online store. For each product, write detailed descriptions highlighting key features, materials, dimensions, and any other relevant information. High-quality images paired with informative descriptions can significantly increase your chances of making sales.
To drive traffic to your store, utilize social media platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Create dedicated accounts for your business and start posting regularly. Share behind-the-scenes content, new product releases, and customer testimonials to engage with your audience. Use relevant hashtags to reach a broader audience and attract potential buyers. Additionally, consider running AI-driven ad campaigns on platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads. These advertising tools allow you to target specific demographics and interests, ensuring your ads reach potential customers. Start with a small budget, test different ad creatives, and let the AI algorithms optimize your campaigns for better results. Email marketing is another effective strategy to boost your sales. Use AI-powered email marketing services like MailChimp to build an email list of interested customers. Send out regular newsletters featuring new products, special offers, and exclusive discounts. Personalized email campaigns can help you maintain engagement and encourage repeat purchases. Finally, monitor your sales and customer feedback to continuously improve your strategy. Use analytics tools provided by your e-commerce platform to track performance and identify areas for improvement. By analyzing data and adjusting your approach, you can optimize your listings and marketing efforts for better results. Making money online by selling AI-generated product modeling photographs is a lucrative and straightforward method. By leveraging Pebbly's advanced AI capabilities, you can create professional quality images, set up an online store, and implement effective marketing strategies to attract customers. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to building a successful online business. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online with AI, and hit the like button if you found this video helpful.